5 Minutes Information channel, and I welcome you all. And this is episode number 56. In this episode, I will talk about the data collection method in qualitative research. Part 4, Document Review. For the viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on this video description. In this episode, I will talk about the 5 main points of the document review for the data collection. Point number 1. What is document review in qualitative research aspect? Point number 2. What document should we use in a review of the qualitative research? Point number 3. When should we use the document review for evaluation? Point number 4. How do you plan and conduct the document reviews? And point number 5. What are the advantage and disadvantage of the document review? The point number 1. What is document review in a qualitative research? Document review is a form of a qualitative research in which documents are interpreted by the researcher to give voice and meaning around assessment. Analyzing the document incorporated coding content into the theme, similar how to focus or interview transcript are analyzed. A rubric can also be used to grade or score the document. Point number 2. What document should be used for review in a qualitative research? There are 3 types of document used for the review. Number 1, public record. Number 2, personal document. Number 3, physical evidence. Public record, the official ongoing records of an organization's activities. Example include the student's transcript, mission statement, annual reports, policy manual, student handbooks, strategic planning, and syllabus. Number 2, personal document. First person account of an individual action, experience, and belief. Example include calendar, email, scrapbooks. For online, blogs, Facebook posts, tweets, and etc. Number 3, physical evidence. Physical objects found within the study setting, often called the artifacts. Example includes flyer, poster, agendas, handbook, and training material. Is point number 3. When should researcher use document review for evaluation? Number 1, to gather background information. Number 2, determine if implementation of a program reflects program plan. Number 3, when researchers need information to help you develop other data collection tool for evaluation. Point number 4, when researchers need data to answer what and how many evaluation questions. Point number 4, how do you plan and conduct document review? There are 7 steps to plan or conduct for the document review. Number 1, assess the existing document. Number 2, secure access to the document you have identified through your assessment. Number 3, ensure the confidentiality. Number 4, compilation of the document relevant to your evaluation. Number 5, understand how and why the document were produced. Number 6, determine the accuracy of the document. And number 7, summarize the information from the document reviewed. Now the point number 5, what are the main advantage and disadvantage of the document review? Advantage of the document review. A, relatively inexpensive. B, good source of the background information. Number C, unobtrusive. Point D, provide a behind the scenes look at a program that may not be directly observable. Point E, may bring up issues not noted by other means or ignored by the researcher. Now the disadvantage of the document review. Point A, information may be inapplicable, disorganized, unavailable, or out of date. Point B, could be biased because of the selective survival of the information. Point C, information may be incomplete or inaccurate. Point D, can be time consuming to collect, review, and analyze many documents at a time. Here I conclude the episode number 56, Qualitative Research Data, Part 4, the Document Review. So stay tuned with the 5-Minute Information channel and we'll be back soon with another episode. So thank you.